It's Melissa from the AC Library, and in this video I'll finish showing you how to set up an MLA paper using Google Docs. Because it'll be easier to show you what's next if I have actual words on the pages, I've copied portions of a handbook here. MLA requires that you put your last name and the page number at the top right of each page. Put this in the header section of the document. You can just point your cursor up here and double-click to get into the header. To get moved over to the right side, click this button. For some reason, Google Docs doesn't quite get this header information in the right spot, so hit Enter to move it down just a bit. This is where it should appear on your page. Put just your last name. I'll pretend you're either Jane or John Doe. Then put a space, and then insert the page number by clicking on the Insert menu button, then hover over page number, and select the first picture here in the top left, which has a number on each page. Don't ever just type the number 1 on your first page. If you use this Insert Page Number feature, the program will automatically change all of your page numbers for you as your paper grows and changes. And see now, if I scroll down, your name and 2 appears on the second page. Notice that each paragraph is indented to the right. Usually you can do this just by hitting the Tab button on your keyboard at the start of the line. Okay, the last thing I want to show you is how to set up the Works Cited page, where you provide citation information for all of your sources. This is when you really need to make sure you're complying with the requirements of the MLA style. In the library, we've created a guide to help you make sure you're doing it all correctly. Visit the webpage at actx.libguides.com/MLA. Here's what a works cited page should look like. Most likely the person who created this not only used a guide like the one I just told you about, but also probably took advantage of the citation tools available in most all of the library's databases. Here's an article I selected after I ran a search using Academic Search Complete, one of our go-to databases. You can click here on this Cite button and the system will pull up a screen of the different citation styles. I'll scroll down to MLA, copy this citation, and then go back over to my document and paste it into my Works Cited page. Because this page should be alphabetical by author, I'll put this one by Stapleton at the very bottom of my list. Now notice this weird W at the end of her name. This is an example of the fact that while this database citation tool can help you at least get started with the citation, it's not infallible. As you can see from the actual PDF document of the full article, her name is just Stapleton, so I'll fix that. A word like a, an, and, or the should not be capitalized in MLA style unless it's the first word in the title. So this is another example of something you'll have to fix. To fix the indentations, place your cursor at the start of the second line and hit Enter. Now hit Tab and it'll bump it over. If you have a third line, you can just hit Tab at the start of it, but then you'll need to hit backspace on the second line to get it over. Before you get out of Google Docs, don't forget to name your document by clicking here. Okay, this is all just a quick guide helping you format your paper, but if you have questions, please contact us in the library. You can come by in person. We're on the Washington Street campus in the Ware Student Commons on the 4th floor. You can also check out the other video tutorials we've made showing you how to use our various databases to find articles like the one I showed you earlier. Go to Blackboard, click on the Library tab, and then as long as you're on the Find Database Articles page, you can find them. And you can also contact us by email or phone, and that information will appear on the next screen of this video. Good luck writing your paper!